In this video, I'll show you how to change the location on Facebook Marketplace. So first things first, you need to head over to the Facebook application and then click on your profile icon in the bottom right-hand side. From here, scroll all the way down to Settings and Privacy. Click on Settings. Then, using the search box, you need to type in the word device. Now, click on Device Permissions. Scroll down to Location and select See Info. Click on Update Settings and select Open Device Settings. Right at the top, you'll see Location. Select this. And now, make sure you have this set to while using the app. So if you currently have it set to either Never or Ask Next Time or When I Share, make sure you now change this to while using the app. This is super important, especially if you've moved countries and you're seeing a completely different marketplace. This alone should solve that issue. Now, if you're unable to change the location access inside of these settings, what you need to do is head over to the Settings app on your iPhone, and from here, just scroll down to Screen Time and select this. Scroll down to Content and Privacy Restrictions, and make sure you have this option turned off like so. And then if you head back over to the Facebook location services, you should now be able to enable it. So once you've changed your location settings in Facebook, we're then going to head over to Facebook Marketplace like so. And in the top right hand side, you'll see your current location. So from here, we can just click on this button like so. Now you can even click on this Locate Me button. And if you are in a different country, it should be able to detect where you currently are. If that still isn't working, you can click on the Edit button next to it. And from here, we can adjust precisely where we want our location to be saved. You can also adjust the radius, so you can either increase or decrease this. And once you're happy with the selection, just click on Apply. And as you can see, that's now changed the location of my marketplace. And that's it, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing.